Welcome students in BA part first. In BA part first we were reading second paper prose and fiction. In second paper last 2 or 3 videos we were discussing about the details of the members in Spectator Club. As we already discussed, in Spectator Club there were 6 gentlemen. All these gentlemen are very superior, very unique in their tasks, inclinations, interests and hobbies. Various types of merits and demerits presented by Steele related to the conduct and behavior of all these members. Already we discussed our 5 members. All 5 members are very unique and very skillfully writer presented their features. Now, the 6th member of Spectator Club is something unique. He is very different than other 5. There is the result. All 5 members are the habitual member of Spectator Club. They generally visited Spectator Club and share their arguments and their thoughts among the members of club. But now the member number 6 on which we are going to discuss today is very different, because there is the result that he rarely visited the clubhouse. You can understand. He may consider as a visiting member. A visiting member, that means the member who rarely visits the meetings of Spectator Club. So the last member, that is very short in detail and still provides his detail in very short paragraph, because he visited the meetings of Spectator Club very rarely. So now I request you, just look in your book, the last paragraph of your essay printed on page number 10. The last paragraph of your essay, that is printed on page number 10 in my book, that is in my original book, Prose and Fiction. I also request you to purchase the original text, that is Prose and Fiction. This is the original text, and in this original text 5 units total in your syllabus. Out of these 5, the book covers 4 units. Out of 5, this book covers 4 units. I request you that every time try to purchase the original text. In original text, page number 10, there is the detail of the last member. In brief introduction, I want to say that the last member, there is not any name mentioned by Steele here. Again, at the time when we were discussing the detail of second member, there was not any name. Again, the last member, writer only speaks about his profession, that he was a clergyman, a very religious person. You know that same as in Hindu tradition, there was the priest, same as he was a clergyman, very religious person. And the name of that clergyman was not mentioned by Steele. No matter, we only speak him as a clergyman. So, देखिए, I cannot tell whether I am account him. I cannot tell. अब writer is, you can say himself is also in doubt. How I express about his features, how I express about the merits and demerits and conduct behavior of this clergyman, because he rarely visits us. So whenever we have not found any type of the person regularly in our touch or in our company, it is very difficult or very complex, something strange to express about his features. Even still try to put the detail with very accuracy. तो आई कैन नॉट टेल, वो खुद कह रहा है कि मैं बता नहीं सकता कि भी मैं आपको उसकी डिटेल कैसे दूं, क्योंकि कारण ये है ही इज ए विजिटिंग मेंबर. तो एट द टाइम व्हेन ही कम्स, फिर आफ्टर सम टाइम ही अगेन कम्स, फिर आफ्टर सम डेज ही अगेन कम्स, तो इट इज नॉट इजीली पॉसिबल टू ऑब्जर्व द बिहेवियर एंड कंडक्ट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. इफ वी वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरी टाइप्स ऑफ बिहेवियर, देन वी मस्ट इन टच some days regularly. So he never visited it, so it is very difficult to understand. Even I am NRSCC account whom I am next to speak of, जिसके बारे में अब मैं स्पीक ऑफ करना चाह रहा हूँ, बताना चाह रहा हूँ. तो आई हैव नोट द पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन, द पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ द डिटेल. फिर भी आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट माई बेस्ट सेंस एंड माई बेस्ट माइंड. एज वन ऑफ आवर कंपनी, जो है तो हमारी कंपनी में से एक व्यक्ति, फोर, लेकिन बिकॉज ही विजिट्स अस बट सेल्डम जनरली प्रोवाइड्स नेगेटिव सेल्स. वो विजिट तो हमको करता है लेकिन बहुत रेयर केस में करता है, बहुत कम आता है. यानी इन द मीटिंग रूम, इन क्लब हाउस, इन स्पेक्टेटर क्लब्स एक्टिविटीज, ही वेरी रेयरली अटेंड्स इट, बहुत कम आता है. बट लेकिन इंपॉर्टेंट, where he does, लेकिन जब वो करता है, मीन्स आता है, whenever he is among us, it adds to every man also new enjoyment of himself. लेकिन आता बहुत कम है. जिस दिन भी वो आता है वो ऐसा मेंबर है कि एंजॉयमेंट, हर व्यक्ति जो भी क्लब ग्रुप में होता है बड़ा खुश होता है. मीन्स देयर इज सम टाइप ऑफ द फीचर्स, देयर इज सम टाइप ऑफ द गुड सेंस to be found in that personality. So although he comes rarely, but whenever he comes, the complete day depends on him. The complete day depends on the activity of him. It means he was a very charming character. You can say very impressive character. How everyone impressed him. Everyone impressed him. Everyone impressed him at the time whenever he comes. Although he comes very rarely, no matter, but whenever he comes, everyone want to speak with him. अब बता रहा है वो, he is a clergyman, a very philosophic man. He is a clergyman by profession. He is a clergyman belonging to religious profession. A very philosophic man. बड़ा दार्शनिक लर्निंग पर्सन है, बड़ा फिलोसॉफिक है, दार्शनिक है. Of general learning, सामान्य बुद्धि वाला है. Great सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ लाइफ की वेरी प्योरिटी है, ऑनेस्टी है, मोस्ट एग्जैक्ट गुड ब्रीडिंग, और सबसे अच्छे संस्कार वाला है. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इन दीज लाइन दैट द पर्सनैलिटी ऑफ दैट क्लर्जीमैन वाज ए वेरी ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटी, वेरी ऑनेस्ट कैरेक्टर, गुड ब्रीडिंग, कल्टिवेटेड पर्सन, civilized person, intellectual and spiritual personality. And very important here presented by the detail. But एक बात और लिखी है, he has the misfortune to be a very weak constitution. There was a mistake, or you can understand why it is mistake. It was his misfortune, bad luck. What is the bad luck? Physical structure of clergyman was very weak. He was physically very weak. So physically structure of the body, शरीर का जो ढांचा था, that is very weak. Looking to a sick person. बड़ा कमजोर ढांचे का आदमी था, बहुत हल्का फुल्का सा था, कमजोर था. And consequently, result परिणाम स्वरूप cannot accept of such cares and business as performance in his function would be obliged to him. इसका रिजल्ट क्या निकलता था? वेरी वीक पर्सन, वेरी सिक पर्सन, और having this type of the personality or the structure of body, and he was very careless about the personality, about the inclination, about the dresses, about everything that is must to be up to date of life, that is must to remain very up to date in lifehood, because very physically weak person. So he never devoted himself. एक इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन इसके बाद उन्होंने लिखा था, प्रोबिटी ऑफ हिज माइंड, उसके दिमाग की जो ईमानदारी थी, very good sense of mind, very honest in mind, and integrity of his life. और जीवन में जो इंटेग्रिटी थी, प्योरिटी थी, शुद्धता थी, ये जो वजह थी, क्रिएट हिम फॉलोअर्स, इसके उसके बहुत फॉलोअर थे, अनुयायी थे। रिजल्ट क्या है? ए वेरी ऑनेस्ट पर्सन और वेरी फिलोसॉफिक पर्सन, और यू कैन से प्योर इन लाइफ, वाइट लाइफ, एकदम वेरी प्योर इन लाइफ। All these type of the good feature, very civilized person, very cultivated person, and these type of the results that makes him various types of the friends, or he has various followers and various friends. और इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं है, एक और बात लिखी है इन्होंने, that is very important related to him, that whenever he is among us, this is an important matter. Whenever he is among us, every person wants to speak with him. Every person wants to speak about their different type of the queries, different type of the questions related to philosophy, related to religion, as he considered as the learner of philosophy and religion. So whenever he comes at our office, at our meeting room, every person wants to speak with him. Every person wants that he must stay here permanently. Or this was the detail that was given by Steele. And उसके बाद I think that last में single line, these are my ordinary companions. The single line ends the essay. These are my ordinary companions. Ordinary, very simple, very soft, very honest, very gentleman. और ये मेरे सारे के सारे ऑर्डिनरी कंपेनियंस हैं, साथी हैं। तो दीज आर आवर 6 members. Now we are very happy to inform you that our essay is now finished. After 4 or 5 videos, we could completed it, and in the next class, in our next video, we will start the next chapter. Thank you.